What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and today I got you news none other than the Realme X7 series. So today we have its price, specification of the phones. So now talking about the phone specs, starting with it. With the display is going to be of 6.4 inch of AMOLED display with high refresh rate is also supported with the phone. Now the phone is also being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 800U SoC, which is a 5G enabled chipset, and it is also coupled with a Mali G57 GPU. Now the storage of the phone will be at the base storage of 6GB of RAM and also the 128GB of base storage. Now talking about the camera specification, the phone is expected to come with a 64 megapixel of quad camera, and below that what we can also be able to see is a 4300 mAh battery, which will support a super fast 65-watt dart charge. Now if you are liking this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon below. Now talking about the pricing of this phone, the base storage of the phone, which is of 6 plus 128GB of storage, is expected to price at Rs 20,000, and for the 8 plus 128GB of storage should be priced at around 22,000, and the phone is expected to launch on the 4th of February, which is coming just few days. So let me know your thought on this, and I'll see you in the very next one. Until then, peace out.